Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing two of the big three, WordPress and Squarespace. So are you looking to build a website in 2025? You're on the right video. So starting with WordPress. WordPress gives you more customization, but it requires plugin and hosting setup. It has basically over 50,000 plugins and thousands of themes. And if you look at the pricing of WordPress, it's basically at around $3 to $10 per month if you will be hosting. Other than that, WordPress itself is free. And if you talk about Squarespace, Squarespace is basically an all-in-one platform with a drag and drop editor option. It's perfect for beginners. And Squarespace has also beautiful built-in designs, but it has limited flexibility. So for Squarespace, the starting plan is at around $16 per month, which includes all the hosting, templates, and everything. So if you want a cheaper option and a long-term cost, WordPress is better. But for all-in-one solution, Squarespace is more convenient. And for complete control, WordPress of course wins. But if you prefer a simpler approach, Squarespace is a great option for that. So comparing these both things, telling you about this, I hope this video makes everything clear for you. And other than that, if you go on Squarespace website, you can see that you can get a 20% off and on any new website plan, which basically is expiring on 15 March 2025. So I don't know when you will be guys seeing this video. So I hope you guys get an extension over this. So with that, thank you so much for watching this video.